Guys, welcome back to Busch Gardens Tampa. Since I was last here, Busch Gardens has started construction on their new, for 2024, B&M Family Invert Coaster, Phoenix Rising. Let's go in and check it out. All this and more coming up next on PANJ Thrills. And to start out this video, you guys all know where I'm heading. Let's go.
We hope you enjoy your ride on Iron Crossing. Please lift up on your left bar and unbuckle your seatbelt.
God, guys, I will tell you, it's like she doesn't even lose any speed. She's just getting faster throughout the layout. Oh my God. 2 rides there on Iron Gwazi. Fantastic. You guys know how much I love that ride. That is my number one, easily. This and Velocicoaster are my 2 favorite rides. But yeah. Alright guys, I think we might head back to Kumba and Sheikra next. And then we're gonna go check out Phoenix Rising. But first, I always gotta check out the pink chickens. Awesome. Looks like Skyride is closed due to high winds today, so hopefully it calms down a little bit and we can get on this, because this is going to give great views of Phoenix Rising. So it looks like they've completed the lift hill and now are starting to work on the drop. So exciting.
Dispatch.
Sheikra and Kumba, always fantastic to get on. I hope they never take Kumba out. That's one of my favorite B&M coasters. The Roar. They just don't make B&M coasters like they used to. It does reach the end of its service life. I'm really hoping that, you know, do what Alton Towers did with Nemesis, or what Universal did with Hulk, and just retrack it. But that is a lot of money. But it's really great. Standing here, it looks like they got a lot of work done on the station. You can really just see. I know a lot of people were worried that, you know, this ride would look too similar to Montu, but this has more of a lighter blue color, whereas Montu is a little bit darker. So I think it will work next year, but it's sure great to see. Just look at the way that drop curves now. It's like got a pre-drop. I don't know, it's just really weird. Here's a little bit of a closer look at it. So they got some work to do still. It's shaping up really great. I think we're going to head to Montu next because that is showing a 5-minute wait. So let's head over there. Montu, guys, just such a great inverted coaster. Fantastic. 7 inversions. I haven't been on Raptor at Cedar Point, but I can just tell this is better. Great ride there on Cheetah Hunt in the back car. Usually when I come here to Busch Gardens Tampa, I usually have to wait at least an hour for that. But I would say I waited about like 20 minutes, 15, so that was a steal for that ride because usually that's like one of the longest lines in the park. I don't know why. I guess it's because it's a family coaster. Pretty much everyone here wants to go to that first thing in the morning. So if you come to Busch Gardens Tampa, be sure to hit Cheetah Hunt up first because it usually gets a really long line. Alright guys, time for one last sunset ride. Alright, let's go.
Platform clearance, we've got
And well guys, that does it tonight here from Busch Gardens Tampa. I hope you all enjoyed it. It was great getting to see the progress they did on Phoenix Rising. It's looking like it's coming along really well. Hopefully the next time I'm here, that ride is open and it's running. It probably will. And of course, this beauty right here is always a pleasure to get back on. And one of the main reasons I always decide to come to Florida. Like this ride, if you haven't done it yet, book a flight to Florida, Orlando or Tampa to come and ride it. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button. I typically post content from Hershey Park, Dorney Park, and Six Flags Great Adventure, but once in a while, I do something here from Florida, Virginia, you never know. So make sure you come along for the ride. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.